Using the bulk invoicing feature, with just a few clicks, you can effortlessly create invoices for multiple clients. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Firstly, navigate to the Invoicing tab from the menu. Select a predefined date range button, such as this month, to quickly choose the date range you wish to invoice. Or enter your own date range. You can optionally filter the bulk invoicing report by clicking the drop-down menus for invoice type or area. Select either all clients or individual clients you want to invoice. There are two options for sending your client invoices. Create invoices and email the invoices directly to clients, or create invoices without sending emails. From the Invoice Options screen, you can choose to invoice all the services on a client's order, or up to a date which works well for invoicing weekly in advance or arrears. In this case, we will invoice for all services in arrears. By default, the options to Send Email to Client and Attach Account Summary PDF are switched on. Next, choose one of the invoice templates from the drop-down menu. Important! Use one of the provided invoice email template, which will automatically insert client information and ensure the invoice and account summary are attached to the client email. When you are happy with the covering email template, click Create Invoices. The invoice will be sent to the client via email and appear in their portal. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation message showing the number of invoices created. From their portal, your clients will be able to view their invoice on the account summary, payment due date, and the total amount owed. If you have enabled Stripe, a Pay Now button will display for the client to make the outstanding payment. A client invoice with your logo on it shows a fully itemized list of the services that have been or are due to be provided, with a total price. And that's it! You've successfully bulk invoiced your clients, saving time and ensuring efficient billing for your business. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial and you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up.